Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X5 Lite, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system settings and scroll down again. As you can see, we've got this section backup and reset option, so let's tap on reset phone. And as you can see right now, on the very first position we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap. We have to enter our screen lock to verify ourselves, so let me put my finger on the sensor. Oh, come on. And now just tap on reset network settings, and as you can see, the network settings have been reset successfully. So basically that's all. This is how to reset network preferences in your OPPO Find X5 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.